Tennis star Novak Djokovic was released from Australian immigration detention on Monday after winning a court challenge. He said he's pleased and grateful at the judge's decision and he wants to stay and compete in the Australian Open. His fans celebrated outside the court in Melbourne.
I'm very happy, I'm extremely happy. As everyone in Serbian community here and everyone of the supporters of Novak Djokovic from other communities.
Later, supporters surrounded the blacked-out car, assuming Djokovic was inside. In chaotic scenes, police appeared to use pepper spray as they tried to disperse the crowd. Djokovic's brother told a Serbian television channel the tennis star fell into serious political turmoil unfolding between the state of Victoria and federal authorities in Australia.
Australian people are quite unhappy. They live under lockdown and in a very hard situation since the beginning of the pandemic. This is all politics, and it's always been politics.
Australians have mixed views over the court decision.
Coming from an international place, then you do have to be vaccinated. And it's not like someone should get special treatment just because of the status that they hold.
He was let in and then now he's come all the way here and they're saying that he can't play. But then on the other hand, there's all the players in the Oz Open who have done the right thing, have gotten vaccinated, and they're playing because they're allowed to be here. So it's just a bit of a...
Earlier, Judge Anthony Kelly ruled the federal government's decision to revoke Djokovic's visa over his medical exemption was unreasonable. The judge said it appeared Djokovic had sought and received the required medical exemption from the COVID-19 vaccination on the basis that he had contracted the virus last month. Before the hearing, the director of the Australian Open said the saga had come about because of contradictory information.
We constantly were seeking clarity from day one to ensure that, one, we did the right thing, and two, that we were able to bring the players into the country against our primary objective of everyone being safe.
But Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said the information they gave to Tennis Australia was very clear.
But in relation to the government, our government, the federal government's advice to Tennis Australia, that was set out very clearly in November. As I read the extract from this very podium, it could not have been more clear.
The court ruling did not directly address the issue of whether the exemption on the grounds of a previous infection was valid. The Australian government has disputed this point, and the immigration minister is considering using his personal power to revoke Djokovic's visa again. Eddie Aitken, NTD News.